Choose the next. Let's assemble the bucket lift. You're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the bucket lift. Pump. Keep it up. Let's decorate the station building. We need to fix a crack on the bucket lift. Amazing! Let's grind the welding seam. We did it! Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. You're doing really great. We need to assemble the locomotive. Keep it up. Let's fuel the locomotive. Push the pump to transfer water. Don't stop. Let's prepare the locomotive for a long journey. Let's wash the locomotive. Keep up the good work.